Purchase orders are created when you want to purchase stock from a supplier. In this module, learn how to create a new purchase order and what different purchase order statuses mean. Head to the Sales and Purchases tab and click on New Order. First, select the supplier that you're ordering from. Then, choose which location you want the stock to be received into. You can also add an expected delivery date. To add a material item to this order, type in the code or name of the item or click the search icon. You can narrow down your search by filtering by material category or typing in part of the item's code or name. Once you've selected the desired material item, enter the quantity needed. You can add more line items to this purchase order by clicking New Line. Once you've finished adding material items, save the order. Let's save it as a draft for now. As a draft, the order can be modified or deleted before being sent to the supplier. Now, in Purchases, you can see the draft order we've just created. Click on the binoculars icon to view the purchase order. You can view and edit the purchase order status over here. Click on the Draft button. You can change the status by simply clicking on the desired status. Once you set a purchase order as approved, it can no longer be edited. It can then be downloaded and emailed. Once you set a purchase order as sent, it can then be received. Now that we've sent the purchase order, all that's left to do is wait for it to arrive. Then check out the module on how to receive a purchase order. In summary, new purchase orders are made in the Sales and Purchases tab. Select a supplier and the material items you are ordering from them, then you can save the order as a draft, approved or sent.